More than 346,000 participants in more than 173 countries.
All around the world to start running at the same time.
3, 2, 1, and go! We are running! The biggest running event without a finish line.
It's the line.
They run until the catcher car overtakes them.
Catcher car just catch me.
All of these people are running for those who can't.
You're there for everybody.
Let's go! Everyone, everywhere, simultaneously.
I'm on the trails in the forest.
Relive, that's small ball.
And somebody's running laps in the balloon basket. Look at this one. How much longer can they hold out?
An amazing €9.2 million raised today for spinal cord research.
Until next year.